Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing a day in my life. I have a pretty busy day ahead of me, so I always think more fun to do these videos when I have stuff going on than when I don't have stuff going on. I have a few videos that I need to film. I have some work stuff. This is just overall going to be a very productive, worky, I don't even think worky's a word. Now I'm thinking of Forky from that one movie with the Toy Story. Okay. Sorry, ignore me. A lot of work to do today. I have a lot of stuff going on, so I thought it would be fun to take you guys with me, show you what my day's like, show you behind the scenes. It's Thursday, it's 12:30 right now, so I pretty much spent my entire morning like getting ready, doing a little errand things. So the first thing that I think I want to do is just clean up my room. It's not even messy. Well, it is messy. It's not that messy, but it's driving me insane, and I just feel like, ugh, you know? We'll do a little time lapse, then we'll come back and talk to you. I'm so glad I got that done. My room was like stressing me out how messy it was. Today's video was actually sponsored by Sherm, so I thought that I would talk to you guys. Like, I have my laptop here. If you're like, why are you looking down? It's my laptop. So I thought that I would talk to you guys about Sherm. It's a really amazing company. When they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a sponsorship with them, I was like, oh my god, yes, this is such a great company. It's a resource that I think is really helpful, especially for people my age, probably your age. I'm assuming we're the same age-ish. And in the situation that we're in, you know what? I'm actually gonna read what they are because they do a lot and I don't want to mess it up. I feel like I will. Sherm creates a better workplace where employers and employees thrive together. They are the foremost expert, I cannot pronounce this word, convener. I haven't been in school for a while, please forgive me. And thought leader on issues impacting today's evolving workplaces. They strive to evaluate the HR profession by empowering people in workplaces to advance their HR practices by maximizing human capital. They're such a great resource. Ever since they reached out, I've been like really like invested in like looking at this website, and like it's something that I think I wish I had earlier, and it's something that I plan on using in the future. So I'm just like browsing on their website. Just for me, like as a college student, they provide so many benefits. They have a ton of tools and resources. Okay, so this is their website, and then if you go to membership, they have an HR Young Professionals, which is like you and me. They also have a student member center. I'm gonna go there. They just have a ton of really amazing resources that are super helpful for people our age. The voice of a young professional, like there's just a ton of things that when you go through the website, you are like, oh my gosh, this is so helpful. I wish I had this sooner. You guys remember last summer I had an internship, and I'm really bad at interviewing because I'm really awkward. I just stress myself out. One thing that I did to prepare for that interview was I did a ton of like practice interview questions, and Sherm has a ton of those, which are so helpful. That's probably the reason I got the internship, because I was like so overly prepared. So things like this can really help prepare you. I'm looking on here. They also offer like employee handbooks and guides, and they just have a ton of additional resources. They also have really great ways to network. But one thing that I'm like, I just searched it in here, but you can also find it like throughout the website. But they have a ton of scholarships, which we love, right? So there are a ton of these scholarships that you can apply for. With COVID going on, we need everything that we can get. So if you guys want to apply for some of these scholarships, they have some really good ones here. I just thought this was like a really good time to do this sponsorship, because every single time I text one of my friends, I'm like, what's up? They're like, you know, just sitting at home unemployed. And I'm like, solid. Also reading on here that Sherm has a young professionals council and resources to help young professionals as they enter the workforce and begin their first stages of their career. That's me, that's probably you. So I just think that this is such a great resource and something that I seriously recommend, that has helped me a ton. After I graduate, I'm gonna get a job, but things like this are super helpful, and I think it's better to be overly prepared before you get there than get to a place where you're interviewing and you're like, what? Like, I have no idea what's going on. So I'm going to have all their information down below if you guys want to check them out. A super great resource. I can't recommend them enough. I think they're just an amazing company. Their whole goal is to help you. Link it down below. Right now, I'm actually starving. I think I need some food in my system before I film videos today, because I always try to film before I eat, and then the video I'm literally like, blah, like I'm so boring. I haven't sent my Snapchat streaks today, so do you guys want to be in them? I don't know if I like that one. I don't really care. No one even cares what I look like. I'm in my car. I'm going to get lunch. I actually was going to make lunch, but then I thought it'd be more interesting for the vlog just for me to go and get something. And I keep trying to pull forward so this guy that's in the lane next to me doesn't see me vlog. I'm at a red light. The guy keeps staring at me. But I'm getting food. I'm going through a drive-thru because, you know, COVID and everything. Yeah, I'm just really hungry and I just really need some food. Oh no, the light turned green. Oh my gosh. Okay. See you later. Hi, can I do a chicken quesadilla, please?
No, or just a la carte.
Can I just do a la carte? And then can I do a 4-ounce of fresca salsa, please?
Turn to the window.
Thank you so much. No one's here. I feel like there's always people here. I don't want to hit anyone. secured the bag. I have a friend here with me who's like not really like a friend, like she just wants my food, but she's here with me. Just cares about my food, but it's okay because I still love her. Yeah. I feel like I'm just procrastinating. Okay, I'm so excited to eat. While I eat, I thought we would chat like a little bit. I'll try to talk fast. I wanted to ask you guys if I'm not alone on this thing. My mouth is watering. I need to take a bite first before I talk. How would I do like? I want to know if you guys do this too or if I'm just like insane. Something really embarrassing happened to me the other day, like maybe like 3-4 days ago, and I can't stop thinking about it. I am in a constant state of cringing at myself. Like I will just be sitting there eating my food and then I'll start thinking about it, and then I'm like, my full body like cringes. Only way that I can stop thinking about it is to stop what I'm doing and just start something else. I've literally put my life on pause the past couple days because anything that I do in my regular life, I have to stop. I will be listening to music. I'm just jamming out to Taylor Swift in my car, and then I think about the really embarrassing thing that happens, and then I have to change the song, and then the next song plays and I start singing the song, and then I think about another thing that happened to me. So I have not been able to play a full song for days. I know that a few days is not that long, but I can't stop. So I'm here to ask you, number one, does this happen to anyone else? Number two, how can I erase this from my memory and stop replaying it at constant hours of the day? How do I do it, Zoe? How do I do it? Please tell me. It's taking over my life. I can't stop thinking about this embarrassing thing that happened to me. Okay, work time. I need to film the stories for Sherm. I like want to record it while I do it, but then I feel like I'm gonna get awkward because it's gonna be like someone's watching me. Maybe I won't. I just filmed it. Now I'm saving all of them. If you guys don't know, when it comes to like sponsorships, you have to get everything approved first just so you don't mess up any information. I literally had to take this video about 20 times because I stutter so much. If you guys don't know that about me, I swear I cannot talk at all. I stutter so much in my videos and I just edit them out, but when it comes to stories, you can't really edit them out. You just have to like start it over, but it wasn't that big of a deal. Super fun. So now I think that I'm going to get ready to film. I have one video that I need to film today. Let's get down to working. Welcome to my filming room. So I need to get everything ready to film. It's kind of a mess right now. I need to, okay, I guess the first thing that I can do is fix that. I have a treadmill in here and I just like put it up whenever I film because I need the space. Oh, it's kind of heavy. And it stays up really nicely. I remember being terrified that it was gonna like collapse, but it's never done that, so bless. The cords are crazy. There's so many cords in here. Also, I'm wearing pants, I promise. The scariest part about filming videos is turning these twinkle lights on because I can turn them on from down here, but to change the setting, I need to climb all the way to that box. Whoever invented this, what were you thinking? Because like, who wants to go all the way to the ceiling to, I don't know. Yeah, I always almost fall and break my neck every time. So whenever I film videos and you see these lights on thing, oh my god, Keegan almost broke her neck for us. Because this would give you like a headache the whole time. I always think I'm gonna die, but I am dramatic, so just keep that in mind. Oh god, that was, yeah, I'm like sweating. I have all my talking points on my iPad, so I should just pull her up. Let's get her ready to film. Literally just watch all the lights. Come on. Light, more lights, even more lights, and another light. Camera, action. Woo! Ah! And the crowd goes wild. Not really. Turns out it's pretty impossible to film a video without an SD card and camera in the battery, so love that for me. Excuse me while I have 10,000 technical difficulties. This happens all the time. I just finished filming, just turned it off. Now, terrified that the mic wasn't plugged in. Was the mic on? Oh, wait, thank God it was. I just wanted to take a little break to show you guys. You look so angry. I was gonna show you how cute she is, but she just looks mad. I kind of just woke her up. Do you want to play? Say hello, but then it like just didn't stop spinning. Update, I've just been like working. Can you see the time? It's almost 6:40. I finished all my work for today, and then I was like, I can't be working for every minute of the day. That's not healthy. I used to work every second of every day, and then I was like, maybe I should stop doing that and enjoy my life. So that's what I'm doing. But I watched a movie, I chilled, I finished the work, then I was on TikTok for a while. It's been fun. I just ate some pizza. Now I'm just, you can see yourself, just Snapchatting some friends. I'm probably gonna end the video here because I doubt I'm gonna do anything more than just play with my dog tonight, because that's what my life has turned into. No, I'm totally kidding. Thank you so much to Sherm for sponsoring this video. You guys should definitely check them out. I will have all their information and stuff down below for you guys to check them out, which again, I couldn't recommend more. And I love you guys so much. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, my peace signs if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.